my expectations are very high. My expectations are as high as the sky. Um, because it has a wonderful director, fantastic producers, Ronnie and Sid Roy Kapoor, an amazing cast, Priyanka, Farhan, Zaira, these are all wonderful actors. So I can't see any reason why my expectations shouldn't be high. Also, I have read a little bit about the film. I also have read reactions, and it seems to be a really special movie. Shonali and I have known each other for 25 years, and we were supposed to work together, then we didn't. But I have an enormous regard for her, not just as a director, but as a human being and her ideology. So I'm really excited to see this, but more than that, I'm pretty confident I'm going to be watching something very special tonight.
What is attracting you the most about this?
Uh, I think there is something about the subject that is very different from anything we've seen on our screens for a long time. That is the first thing that's attracting me. Of course, Priyanka, Farhan, Shonali, Zaira, Ronnie, Siddharth Roy Kapoor. I mean, it's a collection of people who are known for quality in this industry. So, I think it's going to be a good one.
Okay, so also Amitabh Bachchan ji का birthday है, तो what are your wishes for him from your side?
Mr. Bachchan has the good wishes of everybody in this country. He's an inspiration in terms of his work ethic. He really has set an example in terms of his punctuality, his professionalism, his ability to be accessible to people in the industry. I myself have experienced that when Purna, the girl who climbed Mount Everest, wanted to meet with him, and he was quick on the uptake to say, yes, I'd love to meet her. We went and met her. So his professionalism, his ability to never forget what it means for other people for him to reach out, these are exceptional. And I think that he really has set an example for all of us.
Any upcoming projects you would like to share? Any upcoming projects?
I do. I've been acting the whole year, but I can't share anything. 45 पेज का कॉन्ट्रैक्ट है. Thanks.
Thank you so much. Tremendous response, you know. How much are you excited to see?
I'm excited, yeah. Priyanka Chopra's movie, so she's my favorite. She's one of my favorites, so I'm all excited to go in, and it looks very good. तो अब जाके अंदर पता लगेगा, and there is too much crowd here to see that. And as the movie finishes, I'll let you know.
What is attracting you the most about it?
The whole film, the star cast, and obviously it's Ronnie sir, and it's SK Global, Z Music. So what more you need? So I'll just go in, watch the movie, and I'll come back and let you know.
Okay, there is one more thing is Amitabh Bachchan sir's birthday is on the way. So what would you like to say on his birthday?
I'll say many happy returns of the day अमिताभ से. हमने बहुत कुछ सीखा है आपसे और आगे भी सीख रहे हैं. And lots of love and luck to you. Thank you.
Hi.
Okay, so how much excited are you to watch Skies Pink?
I'm really excited. I've been following the promotions of the film, and just this combination of Priyanka and Farhan is always refreshing, and the story seems very sensitive, very beautiful and different. So I'm really looking forward to it. I feel like the subject is very real and it's a family drama, so it's going to be from the heart. So that's what I feel like. I'm looking forward to watching it. Thank you so much. कौन से कैमरा में देखना एक ही इसमें बोल दूँ हाँ विश यू अ वेरी 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 हैप्पी बर्थडे अमित जी हम सब आपके बहुत बड़े फ़ैन हैं एंड वी विश यू द मोस्ट हेल्थीएस्ट एंड प्रॉस्परस ईयर एंड लाइफ अहेड थैंक यू
Hi.
Okay, so the Skies Pink is getting a tremendous response
Yeah.
already, from the release. How much excited are you to watch the Skies Pink?
I think because it is Shonali's second film, her first film, Margarita with a Straw, was so special. And she's very, very, she's an extremely passionate filmmaker. She makes films about stories that she really believes in. It's a very special story, I know. So I've heard about the story myself, so I'm very, really looking forward to the film.
But what is attracting you the most about this film?
The only thing that ever attracts me to films is the director. Nothing else attracts me to the films. I think that she's done a great job. It's cast perfectly with Priyanka and Farhan. The trailer was wonderful. I think both Ronnie and Sid have backed a correct film. So I'm just really looking forward to the overall picture of the film.
It's also in birthday of Amitabh Bachchan, so what would you like to wish for him?
But what do I wish, Mr. Bachchan? That I wish that I wish that I was young enough to know you since Diwar. I don't, but I've seen you through your films. Happy birthday, Amit ji.
Hi.
The Skies Pink is already getting a huge response from the public.
जी.
So how much excited are you to watch this film?
Extremely, I think एक extremely talented cast and crew है. कहानी के बारे में जो भी पढ़ा है देखा है, it's a very unusual and emotional subject. So I think उसका appeal universal होना चाहिए. And I think जो हमें टोरंटो में हमें खबर मिली है, standing ovation, it all is saying it's a sure shot that will really touch us, and I'm looking forward to seeing it.
As you said, जो मैंने पढ़ा है, what attracted you the most about this film?
देखिए अच्छी फिल्म में एक चीज़ नहीं होती है जो अट्रैक्ट करती है. इतने सारी चीज़ें, परफॉर्मेंसेस, जो कॉन्सेप्ट है, द ट्रीटमेंट, आई थिंक दैट्स व्हेन अभी स्टैंडर्ड भी बहुत हाई हो गया है कि लोगों को सिनेमा में लाने के लिए इतनी आसान बात नहीं है. तो यू शुड हैव मेनी रीजंस, एंड आई थिंक देयर आर मेनी रीजंस इन दिस फिल्म.
Any upcoming project from your side?
Nothing that I can talk about. The corporations will talk about it first.
Okay, sir. Also, Amitabh Bachchan sir's birthday is there. What would you like to wish?
Like 1 billion other Indians, I would just like to wish him great health and great happiness, and the hard work. I don't need to wish because he's just built for amazing, amazing work. So looking forward to seeing a lot more of him in all his avatars. Thank you.
To come here?
Hi.
Okay, so the Skies Pink is already getting a huge response. How much are you excited to watch the film?
I'm extremely excited. I think with such a powerful cast, you can't go wrong. Plus, the story is based on true events, and I think I'm always more connected when that's the case. So I'm really excited to see the film.
What do you find most attractive thing in this film?
I think the fact that it's based on true events, there's something that really pulls us in when we know that this actually happened to somebody. I'm actually nervous that it'll be one of those movies that I'm gonna cry in. So, but let's see. Yeah.
Okay, any upcoming project from your side?
Lots. I just put out a single called Hamrahi. I sung the promo song for this film called Pink Gulabi Sky. So I'm really excited because it's my first time being the voice of Priyanka Chopra. And I sang for Dreamgirl recently. I just sang for Made in China, a song called Nari Nari for Sachin Jigar. And lots of independent stuff is happening. So. And YouTube, everything. Yeah. Thank you guys. Thank you.
कैसे हैं आप सब लोग? हेलो.
Okay, so the Sky is Pink is already getting nice response.
Yeah,
So how much excited are you to watch it?
I'm very much excited because there are many reasons behind that. First is like I love the trailer. Second, both the co-stars. I worked with Priyanka and right now I'm working with Farhan. And the poster is there, Tufan. So I'm very excited when you're. It's your co-stars film, so you are always excited to watch that. So I'm hoping for the best. Yeah.
What is attracting the most on this
Film, I think it's a emotional journey. That's the main thing. Yeah. So that's the main thing, and the kind of एक डे टू डे की लाइफ जो आजकल हमारी लाइफ चल रही है, उस बिजी शेड्यूल्स में अगर आपके साथ कुछ गलत हो जाता है तो देन उससे कैसे कोप अप करना है या कैसे उससे फाइट करनी है वो इस फिल्म में दिखाया गया है. तो शायद मैं बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ इस फिल्म को लेकर.
Besides so far any other project you
या आई एम डूइंग 2 अदर फिल्म्स एंड दो वेब सीरीज़ कर रहा हूँ. मेरी टचवुड अभी हमारी वेब सीरीज़ द फैमिली मैन को बहुत अच्छा रिस्पॉन्स मिल रहा है. सो अभी उसकी तैयारी चल रही है एंड 2 वेब सीरीज़ कर रहा हूँ, तो उसके अनाउंसमेंट जल्द ही करेंगे हम लोग.
Okay, इसके अलावा अमिताभ बच्चन सर का बर्थडे भी है, क्या विश करना चाहिए?
ओ माय गॉड, मैं तो उनका बहुत मतलब बोलता ना पंखा हूँ मैं. फ़ैन तो नहीं बोल सकता, इतना बड़ा फ़ैन हूँ मैं उनका. बचपन से उनकी फिल्में देख के बड़ा हुआ हूँ. तो सर मैनी हैप्पी रिटर्न्स ऑफ द डे एंड थैंक्स अ लॉट फॉर इंस्पायरिंग अस. आज हम जो भी कुछ कर रहे हैं आपको देख कर ही बड़े हुए हैं, सीखे हैं आपसे. सो थैंक यू सो मच. थैंक्स इज़ नॉट इनफ बट बॉटम फ्रॉम माई हार्ट. लव यू सो मच. थैंक यू गाइज.
Exactly. Yeah. Hi.
Firstly, would like to congratulate for Parts of Blood. People are liking it, people are loving it.
Yes.
It's getting a huge response.
Thank
What would
you.
you like to say?
I'm super thrilled. I'm very, like always, I'm very overwhelmed that, whenever you're a part of something and it gets appreciated and you get appreciated, it's a great feeling and it's no different this time.
Okay, talking about the Sky is Pink,
I'm very excited. That's why I'm here. I mean, I don't really go and watch every film. I've really enjoyed Shonali's first film, which Margarita with a Straw, and I'm really here to see her next film. And of course, there's Priyanka and Farhan and Zaira and everyone, and it looks like something I would really enjoy. So I'm here with my full support and looking forward to a great watch.
But what do you find most attractive thing about this film?
The title to begin with. Uske alawa, I think just it's human emotions, man. It's relationships. It's a mother-child relationship, and I think every time you have any kind of relationship and you see different sides of it, you see, everyone getting so emotional, and there's a crisis, and everyone's coming together. It's always a great watch.
Okay, what's next coming up from your side?
Well, I've just finished shooting for Girl on the Train, the official remake of Girl on the Train, and I have 4 more shots, season 2, which is next year, soon. And I have another short film called Charu with Pawan Kriplani. So that's about it as of now.
Okay, it's also on birthday of Amitabh Bachchan, so what would you like to wish?
Very happy birthday to Amitabh sir. I mean, he's very special to me and my career, and we've done a beautiful film together called Pink, and I have loads of memories from that film. So wishing you many more films, many more awards, and lot of and good health in the years to come.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Firstly, congratulations for the huge success of the work.
Thank you.
What's the feeling right now?
What can it be? I'm hugely excited. The entire team is very excited. सबने इतनी मेहनत करी है, and Ritik and Tiger have done such a fab job. So very excited.
Okay, talking about the Sky is Pink, how much excited are you to watch?
Very, very, very excited for many reasons. I am a Sonali Bose fan. I loved her previous movies, and I think that she is a director who can surprise you. And I like emotional drama, so this is something that I'm really excited to watch. Priyanka, I'm so excited to watch her after such a long time, and I think she's really matured up as an actor. So I want to see what she and Farhan are doing together. And yeah, so this is a film that I've been excited about for a while now.
What is next coming up from your side?
So there is this web series called Asura, which is on Voot. That's with Arshad Varsi. I think that should be out in November. Then there is another one that I'm starting. I'm starting a Prakash Jha web series, so which he's directing. So excited about that. And then there's Criminal Justice 2, which is going to start shoot in some time. So
Okay, it's also important. It's also important of Amitabh Bachchan, so it's also important. It's also a birthday of Amitabh Bachchan, so what would you like to wish to him?
many, many, many happy returns of the day, sir. Thank you for inspiring an entire nation, and we all are huge fans. May you just continue to do the fabulous work and just keep doing it for years and years and years to come. Thank you, sir. अच्छा, आपको तो बहुत ही विषय
थैंक यू कभी बोलूँगे मेरी अच्छी आवाज़ में यस सर कोई सवाल कोई पूछ ही नहीं रहा है कुछ हाय Sky is pink always. It's beautiful. No, it's a very emotional story. I know about the story. And it's a superb cast. Looking forward for Priyanka and Farhan and Zaira. Obviously, she did her last film, as she said. So it's a very interesting emotional journey by Sonali, I think, and I'm looking forward to it. And I think every family should watch it. It's about the emotions of the whole family because of one incident. So one thing, what happens in the whole family, how they tackle it. It's Sky is Pink.
Okay, so it's Amitabh Bachchan sir's birthday. What
a wish to a Libran from a fellow Libran. Amitabh sir, I wish you happy, happy birthday. God bless you. Thank you.
Yes. Hi.
So how much excited are you to watch the film Sky is Pink, because it's already getting a huge response from public? How much excited are you?
Oh, very excited. You know, RSVP Films and Roy Kapoor Films are coming together with this venture. So obviously it has to be something very special. And the kind of promos and the trailer that I saw, it's very intriguing and it's very emotionally very touching. So that's the reason that I'm here also. I guess everybody's going to love it, and I'm also here to enjoy the film.
And what is attracting you the most?
I guess after really long, you're going to see a family drama, you know, about parents and their love towards their children, and children talking about their parents. I think that bond, which is very special to everyone, it's been missing for a long time. So I'm here to see that.
Okay, Amitabh Bachchan sir का birthday है. What would you like to wish?
I just wish him good health in coming years and more of entertainment in KBC. That's it. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Okay, since the film is getting a very good response, how much excited are you to watch the Sky is Pink?
I'm really excited for Sky is Pink, especially I can't wait to see Priyanka Chopra. And I think it's a film after 3-4 years in Bollywood, so I'm really excited for her.
Okay, so it's an Amitabh Bachchan's birthday, sir's birthday.
yeah.
What would you like to wish him?
Oh my God, I'd like to wish Mr. Amitabh Bachchan sir a very happy birthday, and may God bless you the most. So yeah, thank you so much. Love you.
अरे यार, अभी बोलना क्या है, सब कुछ पीछे.
ओके सर, तो सबसे पहले तो कॉन्ग्रेचुलेट करना चाहूँगी, नॉट इन एडवांस, बट लोगों को सीरियसली फिल्म बहुत ही पसंद आ रही है. क्या कहना चाहेंगे, इतना अच्छा रिस्पांस मिल रहा है ऑलरेडी, तो क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
No, हम बहुत खुश हैं. We're very very happy with the response. I think it's early days still. I think you know, the critics have just watched it and the audiences are watching it now. So but the first responses have been very very good and very heartwarming. So thank you.
बिल्कुल मुबारक का समय है, फिर कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस बाद में होती है, पर जो दिल से पिक्चर बनाई है, आई थिंक इट शुड डू वेल.
You are already part of film, you know, so what attracted you the most to be the part of the film?
Of this film?
Yes.
I think the script that Shonali Bose and Nilesh Mania wrote was really beautiful. It's based on a true story, very touching true story, but also life affirming and happy. So it's a film that we thought really needs a story that needs to be told, and you know, to be able to get this sort of cast on board, Priyanka, Farhan, Zaira, Rohit, a wonderful, you know, ensemble. So it all really came together beautifully. Music by Preetham, and like of course the lyrics, you know, I guess the lyrics by Gulzar Saab. It all just came together perfectly as, you know, a combination.
It's a birthday of Amitabh Bachchan, sir. What would you like to wish on his birthday?
Actually, every day is the birthday for him, because every Sunday the way people come and celebrate him and his presence, and I think his humility, and all we can say is everyone draws a lot of inspiration. Stay humble and just stay the way you are.
He's been a hero to me growing up, and I couldn't have asked for a better release date for our film than his birthday. So he's always been an inspiration, and I think he's the reason why a lot of us are in the movies in the first place.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi.
Okay, so congratulations to you as well. You know,
Thank
your
you.
film is already getting a huge response.
Yeah.
How much excited are you?
Oh, I'm extremely excited, and I've just come in a few hours ago from London, where I was shooting for Shakuntala Devi, because I had to be here for this screening. It's Siddharth's first film as independent producer, and I'm so happy, so excited. And the reviews have been great, and I'm hoping and praying that everyone watches and loves this film.
But when we talk to you, what is attracting you the most in this film, for this film?
The fact that it's been produced by my husband. But I must say that I loved the trailer and I love the music, so I'm really looking forward to watching the film.
As you said, you just came from your shoot. What would you like to say? How is it going on, and किधर तक बात पहुंची है शकुंतला देवी की अगर बात करें तो?
We finished the London schedule, but फिलहाल I only want to talk about Sky's Pink. Shakuntala Devi का वक्त आएगा. ठीक है, thank you everyone.
You said कि आप सिर्फ Sky's Pink की बात करना चाहते हैं, but still अमिताभ बच्चन सर का बर्थडे है, क्या विश करना चाहेंगे आप?
Always and forever, you know, I hope and pray that Mr. Bachchan has a really long, healthy and happy life. And may he continue to lead a full life and entertain us forever. More power to him. Thank you.
मैम राइट में
Hi. Okay, so the Sky's Pink is already getting a huge response. How much excited are you? Did you watch the movie? Because since the
I watched the movie, not today, I watched it a day ago, and I was so totally moved by everything in the film. I was expecting to be a good film because of Sonali's record of, I used to always wonder how she's going to beat the margarita, margarita with a straw. And I used to always wonder, this girl has made such a brilliant film, what is she going to do after this? Honestly, she has done a very difficult emotional subject, and the way she's presented it, not only by being an emotional tearjerker, she hasn't succumbed to that. You know, it's very easy to make a Rona Dhone wali film, but she's made it entertaining, she's made humor in it, the characters are so real-like, and that's what makes it super interesting.
what attracted you?
Everybody's performances, and I know that credit goes to the director also, because you know, as actors we think we are doing our best every time. We try to do our best, but if there's a better director, then they enhance the performances, they bring out the best in us. So I was really blown by Priyanka's performance, so constrained yet so real. And you know, the kind of, after doing an American film, to come into a typical Hindi kind of emotional film, I think she's done amazing. And Farhan, you know, so constrained yet so real. Both the characters, after a while you forget they're actors. And the two bachas, I love them too. So I'm wishing all the best for the film, wish all of them super success. I think Rohit and I don't know if the young lady is going to be doing any films after this, but she really shouldn't go away. She's done a beautiful job.
Okay, also it's Amitabh Bachchan sir's birthday. So what would you like to wish on his birthday?
Amit ji, आपको हमेशा हम चाहते हैं, we want to see you healthy, we want to see you the way you are, and we all love you. Wish you a very, very happy birthday, and look forward to seeing lots of more films with you, television with you, एंड आई थिंक थिएटर रह गया, वो भी कर लीजिए आप. विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट, हैप्पी बर्थडे. Okay, I'm going to run, not interrupt the young lady.
Okay, so the Sky is Pink film is already getting a huge response from public as well as critics. So how much excited are you and what are your expectations toward this film?
I actually saw Margarita with a Straw and I loved the film. I thought it was a beautiful film. Very different, right? So many dynamics in that one. So I was really looking forward to Shonali ma'am's work, and I think I was really excited for this one. So I've watched halfway through the film, and it's quite nice. It's quite beautiful, and it's a very touching story about a child. So I'm really looking forward to the rest of it.
Okay, any upcoming project from your side which you would like to share?
There's a film called Rom Rom Mein that I've done with Nawazuddin, directed by Tanishtha. So that's going to be out soon. It's going to be at Mami actually, so please come and watch. Thank you. Thank you.
Hi.
So congratulations, very good response you are getting.
आपने देखी नहीं फिल्म इन द देखी आपने? हाँ, तो आपको कैसे लगी?
अच्छी.
थैंक यू. थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू.
So very nice. तो आप बताइए कैसा response आपको मिला और
अब तक तो जो भी फीडबैक हमें मिल रहा है, जिन्होंने भी फिल्म देखी है सबको बहुत पसंद आ रही है. जो रिव्यूज़ अर्ली रिव्यूज़ निकले हैं सब वो रिव्यूज़ भी बहुत अच्छे हैं. तो फिंगर्स क्रॉस्ड, होपफुली अब ऑडियंस पे सब डिपेंड करता है. उम्मीद तो यही है कि अच्छा सुनेंगे फिल्म के बारे में और एक अच्छी फीलिंग है फिल्म को लेकर. तो फ्राइडे को जाएंगे और फिल्म देखेंगे.
ओके, आपने ऑलरेडी फिल्म कर ली है लेकिन आपको क्या अट्रैक्ट किया था इस फिल्म में जो आपने डिसाइड किया कि आपको
फिल्म की जो कहानी है जैसे आपने देखी, मतलब बहुत ही दिल को छू जाती है. तो वैसी एक कहानी थी और वो जो कहते हैं ऐसे लोगों पे बेस किया गया है जो मतलब रियल लाइफ लोग हैं. तो एक उसमें एक अलग ही एक फीलिंग आती है कि मतलब ये बनाए एक ख्याल वाली कहानी नहीं है, बनाई हुई नहीं है, मतलब ये हकीकत में हुआ है. तो वो भी एक दूसरी चीज़ है. और सोनाली बोस जो है हमारी डायरेक्टर, उनके साथ काम करने का की एक इच्छा थी मार्गरीटा विद स्ट्रॉ देखने के बाद. और उसके बाद प्रियंका भी है फिल्म में जो उसे प्रोड्यूस कर रही हैं. तो मुझे ये भी उम्मीद थी कि मैं उनकी फिल्म में जो प्रोड्यूस करें मैं उसमें काम करूँ.
इसके बाद तूफान भी ऑलरेडी सेट है तो उसके बारे में क्या कहना चाहिए?
उसकी शूटिंग इस वक्त चल रही है तो मतलब काफ़ी वक्त है. वो अगले अक्टूबर में रिलीज़ होगी.
ओके, सो अमिताभ बच्चन सर का बर्थडे भी है, क्या विश देना चाहिए?
हैप्पी बर्थडे कहूँगा उनसे और बहुत सारे शुभकामनाएं मेरे. और यही कहूँगा कि मे यू कंटिन्यू टू एंटरटेन अस, कंटिन्यू टू इंस्पायर अस. थैंक यू.